Hey y'all, good morning. It's Friday morning and about 7:30. I have a short day today, just 9 miles, so I'm the last one to leave the shelter. I was the first one in last night, and then Jack and Jill, a couple from New Hampshire in their mid 60s, doing their southbound through hike, stopped in. Super nice people. I gave them all kinds of food advice about what's south of here on the trail. And then 3 more people came in after dark and bounced into the shelter and bounced out before the sun came up. Anyway, I've got today and tomorrow. Today's a 9 mile day. Tomorrow, I think, is 10. Super clear out. It's going to be another beautiful day. It got pretty cold last night, down in the 30s. Anyway, almost packed up and ready to go. Hopefully we'll see some nice things today, and we'll show them to you. Have a good day. Alrighty, good Friday morning. Once again, I will quote the great hiker Ivy Tat. Back on trail, man. Shit. We got 9 miles to the Cosby something shelter. Nice short day. Nothing too strenuous. Took my time breaking camp. Let the air heat up a little bit. It was pretty chilly last night. As a matter of fact, my battery bank is about done. And my phone's got a half a charge. So I turned it off. Anyway, who needs that? People did this before smartphones. So, up we go. Nice little climb to wake us up. 2 more days. Pretty happy with the progress so far. Set myself up for 2 easy days, or easier days at the end here. So, we'll get back to you. Pretty quiet, huh? All right. So there's an old time quote by someone related to the trail. Sorry, I can't remember who said it. He said, instead of a hike, shouldn't refer to it as hiking. You should refer to it as a saunter. You know, something slower. Well, since I did good mileage on the first 4 days, I can kind of do that the next 2 days. So I am sauntering, taking my time, looking around, in no big hurry to bust up this hill, just enjoying the peace and quiet. Not going to look at my phone because it's off. Just enjoying it. We're going up, we're not going all the way to the top, but this is Mount Guyot to my right. One of the several 6,000 footers along the way here. I've been above 6,000 feet quite often, and we dropped down to go to that shelter last night, but now we're going back up to it. Anyway, it's about as high as the AT gets, 6,000 and change. So I'm taking my time. Legs are feeling good. We'll check back later. This moss is amazing. It's so thick. Check it out. It's like carpet. It's beautiful. All right, coming up to a view, I think. Interesting. Some dead trees here. Wonder what happened there. It's so still out this morning, it's crazy. I hardly hear any birds. There's no breeze. There's the sun. I don't know where that big one is. Oh, way over there. Wonder if I've been up it. Anyway, up the little hill we go. Wow. You can see a long way. Coming around the bend of the mountain here, and it all opens up. Big valley in the middle. Pretty cool. It's got to be Gatlinburg still way over there. Nice. There you go. It's like a chain of lakes way over there. Oh, to be a bird. All right, time for a little gear talk. So this is my new tent. It is a Durston X-Mid 2 Pro. It's a single wall tent, meaning it does not have a separate fly. The main reason I have this tent is because it weighs 3 pounds less than my old tent, which is a fine tent, and there's not a darn thing wrong with it. Part of the reason this one is so much lighter is it doesn't have its own poles. You use your trekking poles to keep it up. And it's made of Dyneema, which is waterproof on the outside. And it's a fine tent. I like it a lot. Like I said, it's way lighter. So makes life easier when you're climbing up the mountain. It's a nice place to sleep. Hey guys, what's up? It's Friday, it's almost 4 o'clock. I'm at my tent site at the Cosby Knob shelter. It'll be the last night of camping for this hiking trip. I'm camped on a flat spot down the hill from the shelter. Last night, after dark, 3 different hikers showed up after dark and moved into the shelter, and I didn't get much sleep at all from all the ruckus from that. I understand why they are moving in. They want to hike all day and get their mileage in. But anyway, been kind of tired today, so I decided not to stay in the shelter and sleep in my tent. So it was a 9-mile day. It was a good day. Tomorrow, if I take a side trail up to the Mount Camerer fire tower, it'll be a little over a 10-mile day. I'm hoping I can do that and still get to the pickup point from my shuttle driver by 4 o'clock. And then Tom, the driver, is going to take me back to my truck at Fontana Dam. It's been a great trip so far, having a good time. So just hanging out tonight and gonna get some rest and hit the trail again tomorrow.